the kitchen today, we're gonna make a simple treat that is unbelievably delicious, and it only has 2 ingredients. So we're gonna use Medjool Dates. I have 8 pitted Medjool Dates here, and peanut butter. So these are going into the food processor. This is so simple. So about 8 dates, about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Although usually, honestly, I usually, double or triple this recipe, but food processors are often more happy with less stuff. Here we go. Okay, here's what it looks like. I might blend it just a little more, but this will be tasty. Can you see that? Yay, it's just kind of a pasty conglomeration of peanut butter and dates. I'm going to blend it just a tiny bit more. Okay, so you can see some chunks of dates. I'm just going to put this in a small glass dish. I'm going to press it in there. And then I'm just going to chill it in the refrigerator, and I'll cut it into squares once it's chilled. It's so yummy. You're not going to believe it when you try this. Okay, all pressed in. So when I go to serve this, it'll be a little more firm because it'll have been chilling in the refrigerator at least 30 minutes or so. But here's what it looks like pressed into the pan. And then I would cut it in like maybe 1-inch squares and serve it like that. Okay, so this is going in the fridge right now. Out of the refrigerator, there they are cut up. Aren't they cute? So they're just like, 1-inch squares. They're so tasty. It's just peanut butter and dates, and they're so quick and easy to make.